Good morning, guys. Welcome to the second part of your review for Unit 2, Part 1. We are going to start with number 13, okay? So it says, find the center and the radius of each. So let's do a little reminder. Here's your h, here's your k, and this right here is r squared. So if you'll look, this is written as x minus 1. So your center, x, is 1. And square plus y minus negative 4. So there's your k. Okay? So your center is 1, negative 4. So you're going to go to 1 and negative 4. There's your center. R squared is equal to 1. See that? Substitute that. And when you take a square root of r, you take a square root of r squared, and you take a square root of 1, so r is equal to 1. So from there, you're going to go 1 up, 1 down, 1 to the left, 1 to the right. And there you have your circle. Okay? Excuse me. Oh, something must be blooming. All right, let's go to number 14. Okay. Number 14, your center is 2 and 2. Opposite, opposite, and r squared is equal to 19, and r is equal to, take the square root of 19, that comes out to be 4.4. It's easier if you do it in decimals when you are graphing. So you're going to go to 2 to the right, 2 up, and your radius is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, a little bit more than that because it's 4.4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bit more than that. Go up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Go down, 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you have your circle, because your radius from the center, oops, mine does not look very good. So try to make a pretty circle, not a square, okay? So there you go. All right, number 15, your center, oops, is 3, 2. There's your h, there's your k. R squared is equal to 4, so r is equal to 2. So positive 3, positive 2. Radius of 2, left 2, right 2, up 2, down 2. And there you have your circle. Try to make a circle and not a square, okay? All righty. Let's go on to number 16. Notice on number 16, there's no h. So your h is 0, and your k is 2 because it's with the y. And your radius, r squared is equal to 4, so r is equal to 2. 0, 2, up 2, down 2, left 2, right 2. And there you have your radius. All right. So there you have those two. Okay, let's go on to the next part. Oh, my allergies acting up. Sorry, guys. Okay, number 17. Here we go. Write it in standard form. So when you get finished, it should look like this. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Okay? So on number 17, put your x's together. Now before you do, go ahead and move your constant over. So here, minus 115. What you do to one side, you do to the other. So that cancels out, okay? So now let's put the x together in parentheses. X squared plus 24x plus a blank. What you do to one side, you do to the other. Just like that. See it? All right, now do it with the y as well. Make sure there's a plus between your parentheses, okay? Y squared plus 4y plus a blank. What you do to one side, you do to the other side on the equal sign. We're going to go ahead and take half of this. Half of 24 is 12. 12 squares. So 24 divided by 2. See that? And what is 12 squared? 144. Okay? Half of 4 is 2. 2 squared is 4. And now we're going to factor. It's always going to be perfect square, so we're just going to go x plus 12 square plus, keep your sign, y plus 2 square equals, and we'll go to my calculator, negative 115 plus 144 plus 4, which comes out to be 33. So your center is negative 12, negative 2, square root of 33, okay? Number 18. All right, so minus 75. See how we just did that? Put my x's together. X squared plus 14x plus a blank. What you do to one side, you do to the other side, okay? Plus, put your y's together. Notice it's a minus. Keep that minus. 18y plus a blank. What you do to one side, you do to the other side. Half of 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7 square. 7 square is 49. Half of negative 18 is negative 9, but it's always going to be positive. 9 square is 81, okay? Now let's rewrite this. So this comes out to be x plus 7, parentheses square. Keep that plus. See that minus? Stays minus, okay? So y minus 9. So you have negative 75 plus 49 plus 81. And that comes out to be 55. And there you have that one. All right, number 19. Here we go. Minus 29. If it was negative, it would be plus, okay? All right, keep your x's together. So x squared minus 6x plus a blank. What you do to one side, we do to the other side. Put your y's together. Y squared plus 12y plus a blank. What you do to one side, do to the other. Here we go. Half of 6 is 3. So 3 square is 9. Half of 12 is 6. 6 square is 36. Okay. Let's go ahead and factor. So we're going to factor this one. See that minus? Keep your minus. X minus 3 square plus y plus 6 square equals, go to my handy dandy calculator, negative 29, let me clear that, negative 29 plus 9 plus 36, it comes out to be 16. By the way, this should always be positive. If it's negative, something's not right, okay? I guess I should box in all my answers, huh? So. There you go. Last one. Number 20. Let me do that in purple. Minus 126. X together. X squared plus 6x plus a blank. Okay. Plus, here we go. Put your y's together. Y squared plus 22y plus a blank. What you do to one, you do to the other side. Half of 6 square is 3 square. 3 square is 9. Half of 22 is 11 square, which is 121, okay? Go ahead and factor. X plus 3 square plus y plus 11 square equal, okay? Negative 126 plus 9 plus 121, which comes out to be 4. The radius is 2, because that's a square. All righty. And there you have your study guide. Good luck on your quiz.